Hey everyone, a lot of times I see people talking that I have worked my ass out in the entire last year, but I still did not get a promotion. I worked 12 hours, 14 hours, 16 hours a day for my boss, but he didn't promote me to the next level. Well, let me tell you friends, it does not work like that. Promotion or elevation to a next level is a strategic process. There is a method to this madness, and that is what I'm going to talk about today. Hi friends, I'm Swati Arora. I'm an NLP practitioner and a certified life coach. And today I'm talking about how you can move up the ladder, which means how you can get a promotion in your organization. Watch this video right till the end because I'm going to share with you some very strategic approaches that you can deal with in your organization and move up to the next level very soon. So friends, the first step that you need to follow towards an elevation journey in your career is to set out a well-defined KRA sheet for yourself. KRA, which means Key Responsibility Area. Every organization, large corporations, MNCs and enterprises have a very clearly defined KRA sheet for their employees. They have a designed goal sheet for each employee which their performance is being measured against. But if your organization does not have that already, you can work around a KRA sheet for yourself along with your line manager, which means along with your reporting manager, so that your expectations are very clearly defined and articulated on that sheet so that you know and your manager knows what is expected out of you right in the beginning of the year. So a key responsibility area sheet, which is a KRA sheet, needs to be designed and well formed right in the beginning of the financial year or month or the beginning of your career in that organization. Once your KRA sheet is defined or your goal sheet is defined, the next step to follow is to set up a periodic review mechanism with your line manager, with your reporting manager, so that you can get feedback on your performance, on your targets that you're achieving or not achieving. Generally, in large organizations, the periodic review mechanism is already in place. But if your organization does not have one, not a problem. Set up a periodic review mechanism with your manager at least once a month, or if that's not possible, it should be done at least once a quarter so that you know exactly where you're heading towards against your targets which are given to you. So in a periodic review, typically what will happen is your line manager will review your performance for that entire period, and he or she will give you feedback on your achievement, on your inachievement, and they will also tell you where you can improvise on in the upcoming months. Once your performance reviews are in place, the next thing that you need to do is work on the feedback. Work constructively on the feedback given by your line manager. Now the feedback could be basis on your performance, it could be basis on your achievement, or it could be basis on your behavioral skills as well. You need to work on yourself, improving yourself on a holistic basis to be able to achieve those targets given by the organization to you. And I would suggest between the periodic reviews as well, elicit feedback from your manager on checking on how you are improving, on checking on the feedback mechanism, such that you know exactly whether you're on track or not, and keep tracking your own performance on a daily, weekly basis so that when you meet your manager in the next review, you definitely have an improved performance than the earlier review. You can also ask for a rating in your performance reviews. Most organizations do have a rating mechanism as well. They rate an employee on the scale of 1 to 5 or on a scale of 1 to 10, which actually demarks each employee, making them either a good performer, average performer, or an excellent performer. When you have a rating to yourself, you will know exactly where you're heading towards. And if you are on an average rating, you can elevate yourself from an average to a good performer. If you're already on a good rating, you can try hard and you reach that excellent performer mark as well. So a rating is very important, especially in a periodic review, a quarterly or a half yearly review. Organizations definitely would give you a rating for your performance. While working on your KRA sheet or goal sheet is important, it's a mandate for any employee to be able to sustain his or her job in the organization. But if we are talking about moving up the ladder, one critical element that we all need to work upon is to build up on our existing skills relevant for the next level. I'll give you an example. For example, if you want to become a manager, you want to elevate yourself to a managerial position, you definitely need to hone up on your people management skills. Now, how would you do that? You can either enroll yourself into some courses which can tell you how you can become a better leader or a better manager, or you can actually model your own manager or other managers in the organization to see what kind of leadership qualities they have, so that you can work around that and become a good manager yourself. For example, for your next level, if you need to develop more on your analytical skills or your technical capabilities, you may want to enroll on some courses which can actually give you a better performance on that as well. So before you talk about moving up the ladder, you need to look at what kind of skills are relevant to the next level, so that you can prepare yourself beforehand for that next level and experience that for yourself. And last but not the least, friends, if you want to go ahead in your journey to success, one thing very important is stay focused on your goals. You may have a lot of pitfalls, there will be roadblocks, there will be objections on your way, and you may not hit it the first time. But that does not mean that you will quit and give it up. It does not mean that you're not cut out for that. It does only mean that you need to be focused on your journey, focus on your goals, and be consistent in your approach. Keep working on your KRAs. Take feedback from your managers, do your review mechanism regularly, and work on the feedback that your managers are giving you, and also work on building your skills relevant for the next level. Prepare yourself for the next level and build your own skills. All these, if you do, trust me, with the right intent, no one can stop you from being promoted in any organization. But the only idea is you have to do it with entire passion and wholeheartedly. Only then you will be able to move up the ladder successfully in any organization. So that's it from my side, friends. I will come back with some more interesting tips and interesting videos next time. Till such time, like and subscribe to my channel, and I will come back and see you next time. Take care. Bye.